Great location east of US 1 and close to beaches and golf courses. First floor apartment, tiled throughout with open kitchen, stainless steel appliances, tankless water heater, updated bathroom and walk-in closet. Community laundry facility located in the building and close to the apartment. One assigned parking space only. Close to Young Circle Entertainment and restaurants. 2-mile bike ride/walk/jog, 6-minute drive to Hollywood Beach and 15-minute drive to Fort Lauderdale Airport. Landlord requires renter's insurance. First month, last month and security to move in.